How to download and use ChatGPT. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also a beginner for using ChatGPT, then you are in the right video. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store. If you haven't already, make sure you have already downloaded the ChatGPT application. So all you have to do is just search in for ChatGPT and simply install the application from over here and simply open the application as well. So once you're inside here, it'll ask you to continue. Click on continue and you can just enter directly to search anything about it, and it will just basically give you prompt in a formatted way instead of bamboozled way. So all you have to do is first make sure to sign up, because it will store all of your data, so the next time you ask you can continue the chat from over here. So let me just show you an example by simply signing up. So when you click on sign up, you can actually sign up with your Google as well. So you can also sign up with your email. So I'll just click on the sign up button over here, and it might take you to this page, and where you'll have to simply enter your email address as well as password. So let me just quickly fill that up, and once you select all of your confirmation, simply click on continue, and it might ask you to enter your full name and date of birth. Just give it, and then simply click on continue once again. And just like that, you should be back in this interface where you can ask anything, like start a conversation like this. So you can basically ask for anything. So basically, once you're inside here, you can ask anything to ChatGPT, whether it's related to your study or your normal day-to-day work, daily life questions. You can simply ask it, and it will give you in this such formatted way, just like this, easily. So you can even currently add a image from over here by simply tapping on this gallery section, or you can also click on this reasoning option to enable ChatGPT to provide you answer with some reason and logic, even more in-depth logic behind it. And currently ChatGPT also has a voice enabling section where you can easily record your voice to talk with ChatGPT as if it were a real person. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe channel. See you on the next one.